I'm going to stay after the movie. I'm guessing I'm going to shake a lot of hands, take a lot of pictures. None of you better give me COVID, goddammit. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy Elvis.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine.
Hey guys, Tony Denaro here with KC Shaw. How's everybody doing? We just got through here in Dallas watching the Elvis premiere with Adam Aron hosting the event. KC, do you have anything you want to say about the movie? Or
the movie was really good. I had no idea that Elvis's middle name was Aron, believe it or not, of all things. And also I had a chance to ask, I asked him if he would talk to Hot Koch, whether or not we could get a chance to interview him and talk about some of his movie pitches.
The movie was fantastic. It is a long movie, 3 hours long, so don't drink too much before you go inside. I know a lot of you guys were wanting to know the question that we were waiting to ask. The reason we drove all the way up here from Austin to ask Adam Aron about the synthetics, and we did get an answer. Adam said that they are